Hi, welcome to Inner Bliss. This is Bertina, and we're doing a guided meditation on how to quiet the mind today. Begin by sitting in a comfortable position, either on a mat or in a chair in your bed. And begin with shutting your eyes to begin to relax. Taking a deep breath and exhale. Taking another deep breath, just a little bit deeper, and then exhale, emptying your lungs entirely. Continue this breathing for a few moments, never allowing your breath to be strained or rushed. And as you breathe in peace. And as you exhale noise. Allow your breath to continue, discovering its own natural, unhurried pace. As your ideas enter your mind, allow them to go without attachment. Now begin to listen to the world that exists inside you. Hear the clattering of your mind, the constant talking to yourself. Notice the patterns and habits of your mind. Planning, scheming, calculating, comparing, worrying, daydreaming. Note when it flies into the past of memories, reliving them over and over, like an addiction to thought. Note when it chases after the future, attempting to control time by planning and hoping. But allow yourself to let all of that thinking go, just for a moment. Reassure yourself that even if you quit thinking for just a few moments, it'll be okay. Give yourself permission to love this moment without calculating what you could be doing instead. Encourage yourself that you deserve this time out from the hectic life you lead and the frantic thinking you're so accustomed to. Allowing your breathing to continue to be unrestrained, deep and relaxing. Allow your breath to be slow and peaceful, and let the thoughts come and go. Center on your breath. And allow your mind to quiet. Continue centering on your breath, letting go of any tension that may fall back into your body, and allow yourself to fall into a state of peaceful quiet. As you're quieting your mind, know that you can come back to here at any time. Simply just allowing your breath to bring you back. It may be just for a moment, it may be for a little while. But it may just remind you of the sense of peace that is yours. Feel the goodness of the meditation for a few moments. Allow yourself to gently open your eyes. Pick up your journal and allow yourself to write your experiences. Thank you and namaste.